So we're live for live stream. What's this now? Live stream 440. And I had a ghost order out there. Fucking. Had a ghost order out there from Friday. And that order flipping filled. And now I'm in a short on flipping silver. That's fucking annoying. Hence the reason why I'm in a position here at the start of the fucking day. Oh, my fucking life. That's going to piss me off. So, on Friday, I should have made 1.7, but I didn't. So, what can you do, eh? What can you do? Now, because this is, let's see. This is even a in trade, man. Fuck me. Can I even justify being a short? Not really. Not really. I can't justify being a short here. So what I'll try to do is I'll try to get off a break even. Hopefully I can get off a break even here, because this is not a trade I want it to be in. I have returned. How you doing, Heath? How you doing, mate? I had a ghost order sitting out there, and this fucking market. I logged in today, and I'm in this silly ghost order short. Annoying as man. How's your trading been? I suppose you've been getting the volatility from the old geopolitical events. Where are we? Oh, actually. Ooh, do we have a short? Do we have a short? I believe we do. Oh, this might actually work itself out for me. Let's see. It's down here. I'm in a second here, Eve. I'm trying to figure this son of a bitch out, man. Fuck me. It's fucking super fucking annoying, man. Oh my word. Oh shit. This needs to be higher. Fuck. This is super flipping annoying. Oh my word, that silver must be eating my lunch. Huh. Fuck me. Oh my word. I don't even know what to do with this son of a bun. Let's see. Doing good, I see. You are up like 3 million. Trading's going good. I'm up 47% today. Yeah, mate. I should have picked up another 1.7. I should have picked up 1.7 on Friday. And oh my word, I think I deleted it, didn't I? Oh, I did it in the recap. I explained it in the recap. But on Friday, before we had the big sell-off, I was actually in a series of shorts. And it was mainly the shorts over on our friends over at silver and gold. So this is what I did. So got scared, got out of the position, didn't allow it to get to my stop, wrong move, went in short, took profits, waited to come back to this line here to re-enter short again. After being up 939, I thought, you know what, I'm not going to push my luck. Prices did eventually come back to that level and would have hit the target to the downside. And it's an identical trade over on silver, where the market on Friday took profit, came back to that re-entry, and then went all the way down to target. But I'm not going to complain because I didn't follow the actual trade properly in the first place. You're up 47%. What were you trading today, Eve? Was he trading the big BTC or? Oh wow, 2% on BTC. You see, this can get really ugly here. This can get really ugly for me. This ghost order, fuck man, such a son of a gun. Am I just gonna keep the order open indefinitely? I'll tell you what. I'll tell you what. It's gonna really suck. Let's see. It's gonna really suck. We're gonna put this order out there. Oh my gosh. Jeez Louise. You know what? No, we won't do that. Let's treat this one right here. Maybe this ghost order is going to be very costly. Who knows? Who knows? Probably is going to be very costly. I guess see if he's not near the computer. So let's have a look over here. Let's see. So we got peace in the world and all the rest of it. So this is a news about a deal being made. Well, apparently talks are happening. So let's see. Are we going to go for pullback? Oh, fuck me. Look at that. There's a setup right there at the start of day. It's actually resolved itself as well. What a son of a gun. What a son of a gun. Let's see. We need to make the adjustments back again on gold. That's where the target should be. Yeah, it should be there. Let's see, XRP and BTC. I noticed I wasn't using auction market fear of my limit order strategies, so I started refining them using AMT. Now win rate is 88.2% with a high profit factor of 11.25. Jeez Louise. Talk about a goat. Oh my word. What an absolute goat. Profit factor 11.25 with 88.2% accuracy. What an absolute goat. This thing is just such a my word. Would I have taken a fuck me? This thing is just super annoying. I wouldn't even have taken a short in this area. Fuck. You know what? You know what? Whatever. Let's see. So the short would take us down to. Let's see. That sell-off in commodities was such bullshit on Friday as well. I also won a competition. So PineScript Wizard made me a custom volume spread analysis indicator. If you're interested, it's called Volume Spread Analysis IQ by Trading IQ. I won a competition. Hold on, what sort of competition did you win? Was it in trading, mate? I won a competition and so PineScript, it would have been in trading. So a PineScript wizard made me a custom volume spread analysis indicator. Oh, wow. Is that what you're doing, Heath? You're a PineScript wizard. Is that what's going on? Let's see. Golly. Should have been short 400, 7,400. What would that be? A sell? Okay. And then let's say we put a buy right there. Could be about to get myself in trouble. No, I'm not a PineScript wizard. No, that's what I kind of thought. Oh, what's happened here? Yeah, could be about to get myself in trouble. Who knows? Oh, this is going to be annoying if I don't get filled here. Let's take that off. Okay. Okay, let's see. I'm not a PineScript wizard. It's just I won the prize. Was that your indicator would be made? Oh, wow. Since I like volume spread analysis, I gave the idea to the volume spread analysis indicator, and the person made it is a PineScript wizard. Oh, fair enough. Fair enough, mate. Oh my word, I got a million of risk. Jeez Louise. Crazy person. Imagine. First made is kind of. Was it a crypto competition, Heath? It says a trading competition. I don't think you trade anything else but crypto. Yeah, it's gonna be crypto. Let's go have a look at this indicator. Come on, a million of risk, like. Jeez Louise, imagine if I got filled on this son of a gun. I would be laughing right now. Filled 95s on gold, currently trading 62s. Okay. There's no way. Hold on, let's have a look at our friends over at I don't know. I don't know if I can trust NQ. I don't know. What the hell was that? Oh, wow. Oh, sugar. Okay. Okay, I'll tell you what. If we get halfway to target, I'm going to take some of this off. Because the goal wasn't to... the goal wasn't to be in this many contracts, so... Let's go. It would be nice to have been filled in our friends over at gold, but I guess not. No, the competition wasn't a trading competition. Oh, fair enough. What's that alert? Silver rebounds sharply. Please don't rebound. What the hell is that moving around? Oh, the value area. Son of a bun. Let's go. Come on, sell off. Okie dokie. So, fair enough, mate. What was I thinking? Do I really want to short NQ up here? Let's look at this area. Oh, what's that? Oh, you're joking. Oh, for fuck's sake. Let's get... Oh my gosh, my mouse is fucking around. Darn it. Darn it, darn it, darn it. We got down to the gold target. Oh my word. I weren't filled on the gold target. Damn, I need this silver. Oh my word. This joker could reverse here. And silver hasn't got down to its target. Son of a gun. Anyway, so we've got to the target on gold. That means that the trade has been validated. It just so happens that wasn't filled there. So let's take that off. Let's take that off the table. Problem we've got now is if gold goes and retraces and silver gets in some serious trouble. Darn it, man. Love the indicator though. He made it so it shows the effort and the result of the candle changes the color of the candle to show if the volume was supported, if the move was supported by volume. Okay. Come on, make a decision. Make a decision, sunshine. Are you going short NQ? Yeah, let's go short NQ. Let's go short NQ. Yeah, let's go short NQ if we get filled. And let's see. The target on NQ is down here. Right there. Need to get some of these contracts off our silver here. A dangerous place. Certainly would. Oh my word, am I not going to be filled on NQ? What's going on? 30 points off entry. Oh, hold on. We're going down to a high volume area. Could actually find support down here for a potential bounce, but that's not what I'm playing at the moment. Hold on. Should you be shorting through volume on a news related bounce up? Probably not. Probably not. Take that off. Probably not. But then again, that's not the strategy, is it? That is not the strategy. Let's see. Also, I use an indicator called open interest. We aggregate it. Oh, this is going to, come on, let's not do this. Oh, no. Hold on a second here. We cut it in half, right? So that's 450. No, we can't start doing that. This is annoying. This is super annoying. I'm in some serious trouble. Also, I use the indicator called open interest suite aggregated Leviathan. And it's very nice. Open interest is the amount of open contracts, so it can tell if a move is from profit taking. Since you since the open interest and the price moves down, open interest moves down, it shows the move is from the closing position, or open interest goes down, maybe from open short position. See, this move up on NQ is the reason why I was apprehensive about taking that short into the TPO point of control. We've had this move up on news, and I thought about it potentially using it as a support. And this is just like super annoying. I couldn't even get some of the contracts off. Oh my word. And then we had NQ go and hit target. Not NQ gold. So, a bad day potentially. A bad day on the books. Since the open interest, if price moves down. Hold on, battery's about to die. Oh shit. Shorting this iPad. Okay. Meant if open interest goes up, price goes down, it means opening a short position. Oh, it means like more people are interested in shorting. If price goes down and open interest goes down, it means they're closing out. It's from longs closing positions. Oh, this is super annoying. Got back up to break even. Fuck. On silver. Horrible, horrible, horrible. Darn it. So, okay. All right. I need to think this through. You know what? Let's have a look at these indicators that you did mention, mate. Seems like I'm in line for a horrible day in the office. Why could silver not get down to target, man? Fuck. You know what? You don't know better than the system. So, all right, let's have a look at these indicators. So the first indicator we will be looking at is, let's look at your volume analysis indicator. Let's see. What was it called? What did you say it was called? Volume spread analysis. Volume spread. Oh, so many people do these, don't they? Analysis. Volume spread analysis. Is it still a private indicator, ETH? So, oh, trading IQ. Yes, 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 yes. Ah. Oh, wow, yeah. Oh, okay. So it's a premium indicator. All right, fair enough. Fair enough. Editor's pick. Okay. Fair enough, mate. Oh, you son of a gun. Remember, you always trust the system, man. Fuck. Could have had a great entry there on NQ. Talked myself out of it as well. Me. Look at it come all the way back. Ah, talking myself out. You know what? I'm not fucking doing that shit. Let's not be afraid of loss. If we lose, we lose. Let's not be afraid of loss here. Losses are part of trading. Second guessing myself about this POC. If I lose a trade, I lose a trade. No, you don't have to pay. It's just called volume spread analysis IQ. Hold on. So I'm risking 114 here to pick up 173. You know what? I like those odds. Let's see. Volume spread analysis IQ. Volume spread analysis IQ. Mate, they are asking me to see, look. Huh? Oh, right. Yeah. Is this the indicator ETH? Yes, that's it. All right, fair enough. This is our indicator, boys. Oh, hold on a sec. This is in the wrong place. Is it? Oh, I need to get this indicator off. Hold on. There we go. And no, that is the right place for the order. That is the right place. The dots show the level of effort. The white dots show the level of result. And the dots at the bottom show the price move easily as absorbed. Hold on. Where's the position history? Okay. Let's show level of effort, and the white dots show level of results. I don't like what I'm seeing on gold here. I'm not a fan. We've got higher lows being posted. And I need to get out of half of the position down here at 69460. I didn't know it won an award. I got a go comment on his video and say something about it. Well, mate, you thought you discovered fire. And it must be a really good indicator if it's winning awards. And your trading's testament to that as well. So it's not like they're talking the books. If you've used it and it's shown results for you as well, the proof is in the pudding there. I suppose you can definitely vouch for it. It's not like you're just shilling something that you know doesn't work or you're not sure of. You've used it. Come on, silver. So let's see. So we take 200 off that. And then we're going to have... We take... What would that leave us? May be able to get 400 or something. That's a good point. See, ETH. And there you were, mate. Bad mouthing Trading View. Mate, I'm going to make sure I mention this to Trading View. I'm writing them a letter right now. Get you kicked off the account. You're going to have to sign up to Trading View anonymously. I'm email head office right now. There's a guy called Ethan just been talking crap about Trading View. Despite all the profits he's accumulated. Are you? Oh, we got down to 450. Come on now. Let's not mess around. Come on. We got down to 450. Feel me now. Come on. Let's not do this. We got down to 450. Come on. Come on. It's a spread that's kicking my ass at the minute. There we go. There we go. Oh my word. If this gets down to that 552, I'm going to be so pissed. If this thing gets down to 552, I'm going to be pissed. You know what? I'm going to have to be dogmatic. Okay, I'm back. Just commented on this video about it. Mate, I was saying that I'm writing a letter to TradingView to get you kicked off, mate. You've been talking rubbish about TradingView. Saying TradingView's volume's useless. There's a million other softwares out there. And as a loyal TradingView subscriber, you're going to ban your account, mate. You're going to have to do your analysis by hand. So, look at that though. How fortunate is that? The silver trade, that was like some random order that I wasn't even showing on my dashboard on Friday. Somehow I've managed to get half of that position off. And there is a possibility of getting a decent trade across the two lots of contracts. Imagine if this goes all the way down to that 68,715. What in the world? Imagine. When fortune favors you, I tell you. Yeah, let's not be so hasty now. You're still skeptical. I don't blame you. Oh my word. Oh, this is gonna... Oh, if this alert goes off, I'm gonna be... You know what? I need to be more balanced. Oh my word. We're at 61. 10 points away. Look at it. I took the trade off. Talking about this POC on the TPO. Holding it as support and bouncing. That's not even the strategy. And it's going to look like I should have took that short. I would have been up. Oh, you son of... If it hits that level, I'm going to have to cancel this order. Because the validation would have been there. And it looks like it's going to. Oh my word, we're at 54, 53, 52, 52. One tick away. One tick away. Look at that. One tick away. Come on. Come on. The question is, if that one tick and he comes all the way back, yeah, I'll still hold the position. Invalidation's all the way up here at 95.50, so invalidation's down at 51.75. No, you said you'd get me banned, so I said, whoa. Hey, you was the one talking shit about trading view, mate. Now you're saying it's playing a vital. Oh, man, shit, son of a gun, man. I gotta cancel this second. So, okay, I need to stay level-headed here. You know what? Yeah, I think I know what my goals are going to be for the next month. The next month, I'm going to focus on execution alone. I think that's going to be the most important thing. I'm going to focus on execution. All I'm going to do is focus on, if it sets up, take the setup, and that's it. If I get stopped out, so be it. That's what happens when you try to ban. Right, ban me. I just have to move the price down. Dude, you should have pulled that back to the entry, man. Come on, man. What are we doing here? Left 173 right there, mate. Damn it. First, I didn't get filled over here, so I had to cancel that one. So I didn't get... What was that order? I think I would have got a decent amount over here. Didn't get filled. Then over here, had it set up, talked myself out of the position because of the POC on the TPO, only for the price to turn around and give me exactly what I'm looking for. Golly. So I could have been an extra 173 richer. But hey, what can you do? What can you do? Imagine if this market reverses all of these speculative gains about the resolution of the war. Imagine. Oh my word. What's the range on today? What is a range? Let's go look for a CDR. I need a chart with a CDR. Oh, we got CDR right here. The current range on NQ is 990.50 points. And that's high to low. Oh, wow. Imagine. The candle on the daily would like a big middle finger. If we gave back up all of this, it'd be like a big old middle finger. Goodness me. Can't imagine that's going to happen. Hold on. Why are we? Oh, is that value area? What value area is that? Is that value area low? Can't be. It's value area high. Or is it? Let's go have a look. Where are our value areas? There's value area low right there. Need to clean up this chart a little bit. So we're going to take off Friday's entries. We're going to take off Friday's targets, the re-entries. Clean the chart up a little bit here. Come on, let's go. We're at 985. Need to get down to 715. Is there anything in my way? Ugh. Got a few obstacles. Yeah, there's a few obstacles. Few obstacles between me and target. Potentially. So what did we bank already today? 227. Potentially 449. So we're at nearly 700. If we'd have picked up that 173, would have had a great day. If we'd have picked up the 173 on NQ, or even the 100 plus over here, but I'm not going to complain too much. Let's see. Hold on. I'm not even reading chat. hold on, what happens when you try to, yeah. With all these wins, are you trading live with small positions yet? Heath, it's been like a month, mate. You should try open interest suite aggregated by Leviathan. Then go into settings and change it to open interest delta to see if you like it. It tells you the contract is open and closed. Okay. Let's go have a look at that. Where we're at 69. This is all the way down at 68. Yeah. I think this market's not having it. Market's like, yeah. Oh, come on. Just film me so I can go have a look at that indicator. You know what? Let's go have a look at that indicator. It is open interest. Open interest by Leviathan. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Let's go. Let's go. Of course, if I would have kept all the contracts from up here, I'd have picked up 800k plus, but we're not going to complain. Where are we? Oh, yes. Finally, we're above the 4 mil. Finally. So we've picked up 456 and 220. Oh, you can't see that. I need to fix that. I've got a banner on my screen, so how do I fix this? I don't really want to mess with trading view. Not trading view. OBS. Unlock. With this. Yeah. There we go. Let's lock it. There we go. So picked up 227, 456. Let's now go have a look at the Leviathan. Let's see. So open interest. Open interest. Let's see what the proper name is. Open interest suite. Suite aggregated. Open interest suite. Yeah, this is the one. Oh, no, I don't want it on that chart. What is this? Hey, what have you... Darn it. Oh, my word. Such great areas. Such good shorts. Could have had another million. Could have had a million day. Golly. I think with that. Yeah. Anyway. Let's see. Let's add it to this chart, right? You know what? I'm not even going to mess with these charts. These charts are my trading charts. So one thing I'm not going to do, I can't believe I've not even pinned this, is mess with my trading charts. So let's go pick up some other charts to go experiment on. What's this timer Maserati? What is that? Oh, it's that. Okay, let's take that off. Let's take that off. Take that off. Let's take that off. Darn, that data you use must not be provided open interest data. What? You joking, mate? I did all that for open interest. Sweet. You can't spell? Go back to school. Oh no. I'm using top of book, so Oh, okay. Who's the... So why doesn't it show it on this one? It's the same data. Huh. See, it shows it here on the same CME data I have. What data is this? Hold on. Let's see. Let's see if it shows it on CL. No. Suppose it's no. Ethereum. All right. So Eve said he traded XRP and BTC, if I remember correctly. Did I remember correctly? Yes, I did remember correctly. I guess I'm paying attention. That stinks. Open interest is very helpful. You know, the thing is, when I watch sometimes on their YouTube channel, the CME, they do talk about open interest. And I've always been a bit like, what's that? I've not been like, what's that? No, it's the whole commitment of, well, no, open interest and commitment trade are different things. I believe. Yeah, it is. So, walk me through this ETH. We're looking at Ethereum here. This just seems to be tracking price action. Or am I missing something? Oh, you're saying if it goes down. Hold on. We need to go into the settings. I did remember you saying go in settings. Don't forget to go into settings and change it to open interest delta. It's easier to read. See? Open interest delta. We get to go into settings and change it to open interest delta. What if I took that off then? What would that do? Nothing. Open interest delta. Display open interest delta. There we go. Okay. So. Da. Okay. Da. Oh, okay. Open interest is the amount of open contracts. So if open interest goes down, it means people close position. If it goes up, they've opened them. Oh, right. So on this move up, they're opening well, it's gone up. And the contracts have increased. So we're seeing it fall there. Seeing it stall. Seeing a fall. Oh, okay. Maybe I shouldn't be... I like Heikenashi's. Oh, this looks horrible. Oh, this looks horrible. Oh, my word. Golly, look at this thing. Ha. Golly. The right idea. Imagine somebody coming in and thinking, oh, the market's up 2%. I'm just going to go long, and then the market just sells. The best opportunities on the other side of the market. Yeah, this big gap up. 11. Well, it's not really 11. 5 hours from there. That's what? 6? No. Daylight savings. So it'd be 7. Hold on a sec, mate. Let's go have a look at your... So notice, I think yesterday... or the day before, Ethereum price dropped, but it was from closed positions. Okay, let's have a look. I'm going to use Heikenashi's because I prefer looking at Heikenashi's. Let's have a look. Yesterday. Oh, you mean Sunday? Oh, no. Okay. So. Well, he said it dropped. Oh. Do you mean in the overnight between Saturday and Sunday? Or do you mean... No. This is a huge drop. He's got to be mentioning this one. So... So notice yesterday or the day before on Ethereum the price dropped, but it was from closed positions, not directional intent of opening shorts. Price retraced instead of staying down. Notice yesterday, the day before, Ethereum price dropped, but it was from closed positions. Yes, so our price dropped, but it was not from opening shorts, it was from closed longs. Since it wasn't from shorting, price easily moves back up. Yeah, but the thing is, mate. See, this is the first major candle right here. But it did follow through. Because if we're to say, that's the low of that candle. And what are we doing? This is a candle right here. No, let's get this on here. It's this candle. Go down to the... It's this very first candle right here. We did follow through with increasing delta. See, this candle right here is an interesting one. We got 51 under the delta, but it closed pretty bullish. We had 798, pretty small. Before finally turning around. The open interest is down on the move down. It means longs were closed. And so the market. Oh my word, mate. I'm struggling to pay it. I'm looking at this at the corner of my eye. I am struggling to pay attention. I'll be completely honest, mate. Golly. Look at that. We've gone all the way down to the point of control. Jeez Louise. From the highs. $150 on gold. What have we done over on our friends at NQ? 200 and, well, let's round it up, 300 points. Golly, okay. Yes, how price dropped, but it was not from opening shorts. It was from closed longs. Since it wasn't from shorting, price easily moved back up. See how the open interest is down on the move down. It means longs were closed, so the market didn't show directional intent. See how the open interest is down on the move down. See how the open interest is down on the move down. Open interest is down. Oh my word! I've been reading it completely wrong. I've been reading it completely wrong. What's up, mate? Crazy day. How you doing, Zar Trader? Hopefully you've been short in this market. Oh, the press. The press is doing what it takes, mate. The press is doing what it takes. He's adding the much needed volatility we need as traders. I'm hoping that you weren't on the wrong side of either move. Hopefully you weren't short. Oh, you trade NQ. Hopefully you weren't short overnight on the whole energy facilities thing. Hopefully you weren't short. And more recently, hopefully you weren't thinking there's going to be like a 2,000 point day to the upside. Hopefully you were very judicious in your entries. Managed to get the best of it. So this is open interest falling. Okay. Oh, I see. Yeah. So as price is going down, we're losing interest. And hence why it turns. Yeah. I can see what you mean, ETH. Let's have a look at this on something else. Oh, hold on, what's happening here? Let's go. Okay. So an increase in open interest on a move down. And then we have that continuation to the downside. Okay, fair enough. Fair enough. Let's go to last Friday. Oh, that was horrible. Look at the price action. That was an absolute dog. Was playing both sides, caught some massive plays in London, New York session. Wasn't that bad as well, mate. That's why I was saying the volatility is great. Not like the thing is, it's unscheduled news, which can be a problem. Right? The unscheduled news, being in a position when these things happen, then you don't feel great. But if you're picking your spots and you just happen to be in a favorable position, or you're in a market at a favorable time, the opportunities are tremendous. The opportunities are tremendous. Because I saw these things here, it's like, I've been talking to some people. And then on the other side, I was watching Bloomberg. And then the other side says, we're not talking to anyone. And I was thinking, I wonder if the market's going to come in and just retrace most of this move. Or whether somebody's going to come out from the other side and say, yes, we are talking. And then you just get a leg up. But if they do maintain that, oh, we're not talking, then eventually this is going to be like, yeah, we don't believe that much. But we'll see in the coming days. We'll see. So when open interest goes down, contracts are closing. If it goes up, contracts are opening. So you can see why price is moving. Is open shorts versus longs, close longs. Yeah, I think that's where I was getting it wrong. I was just looking at these and I was thinking about them. Well, it's doing what price actually is, tracking price. But I see what you mean. So on this move down, we're seeing somewhat falling up, even though it's choppy as anything. This is just, this is horrible price action. We're seeing a bit of a fall in interest and the occasional peak, but it's just not great looking, is it? See, we're coming down. See, we had right here. That's interesting. So we had a trend down, and then we had that negative interest right there. Prices did go higher briefly. Didn't stop it from going a bit lower before being bought into the close. So, seeing a pickup in interest. It's difficult to identify what's happening here. The market just seems to be consolidating. Yeah, one of my best plays of the day was catching double 3% move on micro gold during London. Let's go have a look at your friend over at gold. Yeah, gold was moving really good here. Look at that. Very directional. I remembered when gold would have like a $60 move, and I would think, wow, gold is really volatile. Now we're looking at gold moving $400+ in a day. How times have changed. So the spike in open interest, people likely went short, and when price didn't move down, they closed the shorts, which moved the price up on that spike where open interest went down. Oh, I see. So they shorted it, realized that they had difficulties, and then they got out and it flipped the market. But even this move up was a bit sus because it wasn't followed through. Not really much interest. Turned down and made new low. This would have been difficult to trade, man. So this is something you have to put the work in to understand. Oh, look, what's this called? An inverted hammer on NASDAQ. Let's have a look at that. The inverted hammer on the NASDAQ. Will NASDAQ go up from here? We don't trade candlesticks, so. No, at like 4:30, there's a spike in open interest. Then later price goes down. $4.30. Oh, I've been moving this around, mate. Golly. I'm going to have to think about the day. I've been moving the charts around so much. Let's see, said spike. 4:30. Oh, I've scrolled back that far. Goodness me. No, it can't be that one. No. It was a Sunday. 4:30 Friday. No. You passed it. Oh, you're gonna have to give me the date, mate. The date's at the bottom here. So, currently on Friday the 20th. Ah, this one. No, like 4:30, there's a spike in open interest. Later, price goes down. No, it's not this. Price didn't even go down there. What? No, at like 4:30, there's a spike in open interest and the price goes down. Oh, so they tried to short it here. They tried to short it again. Realized it wasn't working. And then they got out and went the other side. What likely happened is people went short on that open interest spike. When they started losing money, they closed their shorts, causing an up squeeze upwards. Yeah, so they shorted, didn't really work. Shorted again, less of them. Didn't really work. And then eventually got out of their positions. And then they probably closed their shorts, so spike down. Yeah, I was thinking that. That looks like the inverted hammer is working over on NQ. Yeah. Oh wow, look at that. Who could have guessed? We've come down to TPO, point of control, volume profile. Is it the volume profile, point of control? I don't believe it is. It is. TPO, volume profile, point of control. We're finding some support here. Interesting. Likewise over on our friends over at gold. Got TPO, point of control. We're a bit lower than the volume profile, point of control. Interesting. Basically, the open interest helps give more complete picture of why price is moving. So we're thinking down here. They came in. They were interested in shorting. Seeing the open interest here. So they're interested in shorting it down here. Got the faces ripped off. Shorted it again. Slightly break the lows. Buyers came in. Tried to hammer it through here. Struggled to make new lows. Tried again. Struggled again. Took some of it off there. Somebody was interested in showing through here. Again, the market's just showing showing support. Then eventually people start getting out as the market goes up and we pick up in volume. Interesting. Now you're understanding. This is a doozy. This is what you call a doozy. Let's think about this. So, range rules apply. It's so tempting to think about taking more trades here today, but I don't think it's the right decision. Or is it the fear of loss keeping me out? Anyway, let's go have a look at this thing here. What do it looks like under the Heikinashi scope? Oh, I should have marked. It's 19th, I believe. It was. It was the 19th. Let's put a marker down. Are you interested in shorting? That's interesting right there. Price has gone up. Look at that fall off in open interest. We went above these highs. And open interest is negative by a fairly decent amount above those highs. Seem to be picking up open interest to the other side. I'm going to get the pullback. But is it all hindsight? Am I confirmation bias backtesting here? Oh, this would have been a doozy. Hold on. If price went up, but open interest goes down, that would mean price is moving from closed positions, which would be closed shorts. Oh, so we're closing shorts over here. Looks like the boys closed early. See, this is why. Boy. You know what? I think I'm going to have to call it there early, guys. I've got a presentation to prepare for. So I think I'm going to have to throw in the towel pretty early. The thing is, today has the hallmarks of potentially being a big day, but got to prepare for things outside of work. Let's have a look at recap. Let's have a recap then. All right. Thanks for having me. Have a good rest of your day. Thanks for stopping by, ETH. Also, thanks to Zar Trader as well. I'm just going to do a mini recap. So today was only the 2 trades and quite a few missed trades. So we picked up 227 on silver and... oh, wow, it was all on silver. It was all on silver. So I picked up 227, 456. And I was through this area. Had a ghost order sitting out there. Realized I was full as I came back in. Went in short as it was into an area that I was looking to short. Took the profits halfway to target. Final target was hit. Talked myself out of a short over on NQ twice. I was a bit concerned about the point of control, and that was unjustified in a way. I was a bit concerned about the point of control acting as a support and price coming back, stopping me out. Didn't happen. Price eventually went to target. Over on gold, set a re-entry around 95, I believe, 95.2. Price didn't quite get to 952. We got to, was that 88? Got to 88.9 before price eventually turned around. Headed down to where the target would have been. So certainly could have picked up an extra 173 right here. But I think all in all, wasn't a bad day in the office. Wasn't a bad day. Green is good. Let's see. You should go live, but trade very small positions so you can work on getting live experience with your strategy without risking much. Risking a bunch. I think eventually that's going to be the plan, ETH. But I've seen so many false dawns. Not investment advice, educational purposes only. Mate, I've taken out a personal loan thanks to your advice. And I've taken out payday loans as well. 500% interest annually. And if I do lose this money, I'm going to sue you, bud. I'm going to subpoena YouTube. Get your real name. And I'm going to sue you into the ground. I'm going to claim I didn't understand what disclaimer means. And I don't understand what investment advice is either. I'm going to sue you into the ground, mate. You know, it's like, if you can't trade, sue. Oh, man. Imagine somebody's on YouTube and somebody watches their YouTube. They're a terrible trader and they think, you know what? This guy's successful. I'm going to sue him. I'm going to get that P&L somehow. Imagine that's why people put all those disclaimers in their videos, for that specific reason. for that specific reason. But yeah, that's the plan, Heath. I will certainly be looking at going live, but I'm still doing this demo trading project because I still think it might still be a bit of a false dawn. I know the market conditions have been favorable and the results have been favorable, but the track record isn't that long. It isn't that long at the moment. So I just want to make sure I'm comfortable, because even look at today, you know, I didn't execute correctly. Over here, there's nothing I could do about it. I followed pretty much all the rules. Didn't get to the market earlier. Just wasn't filled. That's okay. Over here is a bit of it's a difficult one, because there's been times where I've taken a position off, the price has come down to the point of control, bounced, and I would have been stopped out and ended up saving P&L. It's a difficult one with this one. But at the same time, if you can't accept the risk, probably reduce size or don't take the trade. So there are still a few things I need to iron out. But once I get, you know, a lot more confident, I'm certainly going to be going live, smaller positions, and work from there. You have all your bases covered. You either make money trading or make my money. Well, that's it. I'm going to win either way. I'm going to get that P&L somehow. Imagine somebody doing that. They wouldn't have any scruples, man. See, there's nothing. See, with the TPO point of control up there, this NQ could go. Look at this area right here. It's a nice thin area as well. We could go down to 24,100. You know, I'm going to have to get away from these charts. I might get tempted to trade. I could get tempted into a trade here. You know what? I'm going to get off the computer before I make a bad day. Oh, I should calculate the P&L. I need to calculate the P&L to write in the old thumbnail on the video description. Get the calculator out. That's what I need to do. This is what I need to do. Finally above 4 million. 4, 3, 6, 4, 6, 10, 80. 80. Goodness me. Minus, where do we start the day? 3681, 302. 3681, 302 dot. What was it? Oh, nothing else. It's a pretty round number, isn't it? Okay, fair enough. We made 683,308.80. Golly, that is... Oh my word, there's a million right there. It's so close. So close, but gonna be disciplined and walk away. So thanks for watching. Good luck trading. Have a great day.